Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do what's in my travel makeup bag. So I'm leaving tomorrow morning just to go travel with my team to a track meet. But I'm gonna be gone for a couple days, and I really was feeling lazy tonight because I didn't want to take down my lights because I just filmed like a prom makeup tutorial. Didn't want to take down my lights, and I didn't want to pack. But I wanted to film, but I really didn't want to think super hard on what to film. So I figured might as well basically take you with me in the process of packing up my makeup bag and what I usually bring to track meets and stuff like that. It's basically what I usually bring places, except a little bit less stuff. Just mainly because I won't be like going out. I don't need any like lipsticks and stuff like that. But I thought I would share with you what brushes I bring, beauty blenders, makeup. I put my skincare in there too, and stuff like that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I just have my makeup bag here. This is the one I like always bring and always have brought. This is just like a bag from Forever 21. I believe it was like $4. I got it like 8 years ago, so it's probably not available, but so I guess I could start with the first thing that I pull out. Excuse me. I packed my toner. It's from the brand The Ordinary. It's got 7% glycolic acid. I don't know, I heard really good things about it. I don't really notice it doing anything to my skin. I just use it because I want to get rid of my acne, and yeah, so I heard toning is really good for your skin, and I heard this brand is really amazing as well. So this is my everyday toner. Packed that. I also packed a Sephora sheet mask. It's the Pineapple Pore Perfecting and Smoothing one. I figured I could do this on one of the days where we aren't at the track meet, or we don't have to be there super early, or even at night, going to the next day, because we're going to be there Thursday, Friday, and then we're coming back Saturday night at like 10 o'clock at night. It's going to be great. So, next thing I see, I am bringing both of my e.l.f. Baked Blush Highlighters in Moonlight Pearls and Blush Gems. I love these highlighters. I think they're so natural, and for some reason I feel the need to put makeup on for track meets and stuff and show up every day with makeup on, even though no one's wearing any. It makes me feel better about myself, you know, look good, feel good, maybe perform well too. So I'm bringing these highlighters, really good. It also makes it look natural because, again, who's wearing makeup to attract me? So yeah. And then I brought my it's the Up and Up brand, but it's the benzoyl peroxide gel. It's like the same thing as the Clean and Clear Persa gel. I used this in high school a lot, and it got rid of my acne so quickly, like honestly almost overnight, which was insane. But then I kept having allergic reactions to it, and my eyes would swell shut. I might be able to find a picture for you, and I could put it on there. It's really not cute at all when my eyes swell up, but anyway. I thought I'd try it again, and I have been using it for the past couple nights, and I mean, it hasn't dramatically cleared my skin up, but it has made it a little bit better, and I haven't had an allergic reaction with it. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna just like keep using it until I get an allergic reaction, which is probably not good, but I mean, that's what you gotta do. Next I am bringing my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. Love this stuff. I just bought a new thing of this, and this is almost gone, so that's how much I love it. I have two beauty blenders. It's not really anything special. It's supposed to be a different thing. I have cotton pads for my toner. Next is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Absolutely ride or die product. Can't live without. Amazing. Everyone talks about this. Have to have it. I don't even bake with it. I know a lot of people are still on like the baking thing. I just like sweep it under my eyes just to like set it and set my face and stuff like that. So really great. Necessity. Can't live without it. Comes with me everywhere. I even have a travel size in my purse, so you know. Next I'm bringing an eyeshadow palette. I'm just bringing the ColourPop Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette. Love this. It's like an everyday palette. It's one of my favorites. I feel like I can create like a lot of natural looks with it without like getting stuck in a rut and being boring, which is what I usually do. And I get really bored really easily. So that was that. Next I'm bringing my e.l.f. blush palette. It's like $6. Love this thing. I like it because I can like mix the shades together and stuff. But yeah, I guess that's really about it on the blush palette. And then I'm bringing my MAC Fix Plus, just in case I like wet eyeshadows and stuff like that, and to make my like makeup less powdery and stuff like that. But that's it. Next I am bringing my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. Love this stuff. It's awesome. It looks really natural on the skin. Yeah. I'm also bringing my travel size Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to lock my face in place. Next, I am bringing the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, the broad spectrum of SPF 40. I honestly feel like this is a primer. It like blurs my skin, but it also protects, you know, against those harmful UV rays. Love it. I've heard applying sunscreen is really good for you, and you're supposed to do it every single day, even in the winter. So that was kind of my thought process on that. Next, I'm bringing my e.l.f. lip exfoliator, just like the clear, like brown sugar one. It's my favorite one. My lips are super dry right now, and they're like cracking and crusting up, and it's really gross. It's terrible, honestly. I hate the winter. It makes my skin freak out, makes my lips so dry. It just like makes me want to cry. Like, why do I live in a place where we get so much snow and it gets so cold? We were in a cold warning because the temperatures here were worse than Antarctica, and yet they still wouldn't cancel classes. And it's like, I spend 5 seconds outside and my eyeballs freeze. Like, I think that's grounds for canceling class, but no, it's not. So there's my tea for the day. Next I'm bringing my go-to brow product, which is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Pomade. Love this junk. Can't get enough of it. Actually, I can't, like, I ordered more brow products. I usually do a pencil, and I'm so much more comfortable with pencil. But this is, like, good for really, like, natural brows and stuff like that. And every single day, like, I don't wear makeup, like a whole lot of makeup. I do wear makeup because I want to cover up my acne. So, after weights in the morning, I'll get ready in the locker room and then go to class. So I'll just put, like, primer, foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, eyebrows, and mascara and eyeliner. I don't do eyeshadow. I guess that's really not much different than my, like, extravagant routine, but that's what I do. If you want to see a video, my friend and teammate Lexi, she always watches me get ready in the locker room in the mornings, and I always do my hair and stuff like that because I always have to get ready before class because it's like a look good, like feel good kind of thing. It's just like there for my confidence, and so I can do well in class. She always sits there and watches me do it, and she's like, we should really vlog like during this, and I'm like, I'd be kind of boring. But then she's like, no, just like think about it, just you doing your stuff and then just us doing our normal thing. I don't know, it's just, it might, if you guys want to see it, let me know, because I think it'd be kind of fun. anyways, the next product I'm bringing is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. It's amazing. It's my favorite foundation. It's full coverage enough, and it's my favorite one. I don't know. That's awesome. I'm having a lot of trouble with foundations lately, just like matching my skin and covering up what I want to cover up. My skin is just shit lately, so yeah. My next item is my eye cream. It's the Clinique Pep Start eye cream. It's pretty simple. I don't use it every day because my under eyes aren't super dry, but I do use it when I feel like I need to, especially in the winter when it's super dry. Next, I'm bringing my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is too dark for me, so I do mix it with the other shade that I did pack. But it's really good. I do like the coverage. I'm a huge fan. Next I brought, okay, I'll grab all these, 3 of these. I'm bringing like these trial size of primers. So I've got the Hourglass Mineral Veil and then the Porefessional, just because I'm trying to get rid of these and use them up, because I've got a bunch of them in my drawer in my makeup collection and stuff. So also, if you want to see a makeup collection video, let me know, because I would love to do that. Yeah, but anyways, bringing these. I've used these quite a few times. I used to have the full size of this, not these ones, but really like these ones, so yeah. I'm also bringing my L'Oreal Infallible Retractable Eyeliner, and this is the concealer that I mix with the other one because it's too dark. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I actually really like this. I don't like it by itself though, because I feel like it combines weird with certain products and becomes like chunky and like, I don't know, it looks gross sometimes, but if I combine it with the Too Faced one, it looks awesome. Next I'm bringing the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I use this as an eye primer. It's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome, and it lasts forever. I've had this for like at least a year, if actually way more than a year, and I still have so much product left. So yeah, I will never run out of that. Next I have the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I got this like in a free gift with purchase or something like that. I don't know. I don't buy high-end mascaras. I don't really believe in buying high-end mascaras because they like, it's just not worth it. They go out so quickly, and yeah, I feel like drugstore mascaras you can get the exact same quality. But I'm trying to use this up, and I'm like out of every single mascara that I own, so yeah. Also got some chapstick. Where's the chapstick? Okay, stop being weird. But yeah, that was that one. Tweezers. I like applied a mask with it, so they're kind of dirty. But that's it for my makeup, and then I have my brush up. So I'm bringing my bronzer brush, which is the JH02 brush from the Jaclyn Hill thing. So good. I'm bringing the JH06 for blush. Really like that one. And then the M501 for highlight. Awesome. The JH01 for powder. And then I've got 2 beauty blenders in there as well. And then I'm gonna bring the e.l.f. like kabuki, whatever this is, like the, I don't know what it is, but yeah. So I'm bringing this just as like a backup foundation thing, just in case my beauty blenders get really gross. And then I am bringing the JH07, which is like what I use for under eye powder and like powdering my T-zone a lot. So that's good. Let's see. Sorry, I'm really tired. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I'm really tired. Sorry, I'm not. I was like bubbly and stuff. And I'm trying to be quiet because our house literally has paper thin walls and my roommates can hear a pin drop. It's like so unfortunate, but gotta do what you gotta do. And I don't want to wake them up. Plus it's 1 in the morning. Definitely thought it was like 11 o'clock at night, but whatever. I'm gonna continue. So I I'm gonna go ahead and bring, these ones are kind of dirty, I just got done using them, but these are like, I have duplicates of all these brushes, so these are just like the standard ones that I'm bringing. So, well, not all of them because I don't have this one. Okay, so I am bringing the JH30. I love this for putting my transition shade on. Then I'm bringing the M431, just a classic pencil brush for lower lash eyeshadow. And then the MAC 242 flat shader brush. Best shader brush I've ever owned. It packs color on so well. Couldn't live without it. I need to buy like 18 more. And then the M433 from Morphe. Awesome. I just use this for like outer corner stuff. Just another blending brush basically. And then the Morphe M535. Holy grail. You need this like in your makeup collection, in your brush collection or whatever. It's amazing. It's probably like one of my #1 used brushes of all time. And then this one, it's looking a little rough, but because it's stained and then like the bristles keeps fraying out. But it's the Morphe M513. I love this. This has become probably one of my new favorite brushes, just because it's like got a point, but it blends out so well. It doesn't blend anything out choppy. This is what I always go in with to like really blend something out if something's not blending. And then the Morphe M506. This is like a mini tiny detailed blending brush. I love it for my lower lash line or getting really like on the outer corner to like wing stuff out and blow stuff out. Love it. It's become one of my staples for sure. But I think that it, oh, I also bring makeup wipes and lash curler. But yeah, other than that, I think that's it. Yeah, that's what I'm bringing to for traveling this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed snooping in my makeup bag, and I'm trying to think of anything else. Please give me video recommendations. I am struggling to figure things out, like what videos to make. I do have a lot of ideas. I'm thinking like a room tour, probably makeup collection, get to know me video, a vlog, probably one brand tutorial. I'm thinking ColourPop because I own a crap ton of ColourPop, and then like down the line keep continuing like the one brand thing. Probably just like a fun stories video, honestly. Bring my best friends in. But yeah, I could use all the recommendations that you guys can give me. I'm open to anything. Please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry I'm a little bit tired, but I really do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram, Cassie Rose Makeup. And yeah, like, subscribe, share, do whatever you want. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Boom, bitch, done.